If this is your first time of making brownies or you don't know how to go about making brownies, this video right here is an easy way on how to make brownies, and I'll take you through the steps if you watch to the end. You're going to go in with half cup of flour, half a teaspoon of baking powder, a quarter cup of cocoa powder. Now you want to use a good cocoa powder brand for these brownies because it will help elevate the taste of your brownies. We're going to mix this and set aside. In another bowl, we're going with a quarter cup of melted margarine, 2/3 cup of sugar. We are going to mix this together and going with 2 eggs. Now combine this very well so that everything gets to mixing properly. Going with 1 teaspoon of vanilla flavor or any good flavor of your choice. Mix this, mix until it has combined very well. We'll go with our dry ingredients, and guys, we are 80% ready at this point. We'll go with our dry ingredients and combine this together until it has combined properly. Now you're going to line your pan with parchment paper. If you don't have a foil plate, use a baking pan, whatever pan that you have available that you want to bake these brownies with. Line it with a parchment paper so that it is very easy for you to take out your brownies from the pan. Line your pan and then transfer your mixed brownies into your pan. Do not be tempted to add any extra wet ingredient at this point because you will still get a very great outcome. Fudgy, delicious, chewy and amazing. Transfer your batter into the pan, tap, going with chocolate, top with any chocolate of your choice. At this point, people would also mix cookie batter and place on the top of their brownies. You can do you, okay? So if you're on a budget, this is just good for you. Going with chocolate, tap, and then transfer into your pot or your baking oven. Whatever you have, you can always bake your brownies with it. I will transfer this to my pot and bake for about 40 minutes. Guys, once I insert a toothpick into these brownies and it comes out clean, then it is ready. I will take it out and slice into any shape of my choice and serve. This is so delicious. If you're watching up to this point, please do well to like, comment, and tell me what you think about this video. Don't forget to share it if you found it helpful. And one more thing, kindly subscribe to this channel as I am looking to grow my community while I share my amazing recipes. So if you enjoyed today's video, do well to subscribe and tell me what you think. Your comment is going to help me create the next good recipe for you. Bye neighbors, thanks for watching.